Why does your scanner show the P015D engine code? What does it mean? P015D is a diagnostic trouble code for O2 sensor delayed response, lean to rich bank 2 sensor 1. This engine code indicates that the PCM or ECM as quickly as it should when the engine switches from a lean to a rich air fuel mixture. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensor, exhaust system issues, wiring and connections, air-fuel mixture problems, catalytic converter issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevrolet Silverado, GMC Sierra, and Yukon XL. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.